Okay, so I got this GThunder night vision goggles, binoculars, and I got them because I like to go and look at things, and I'm always camping and looking out, so I want to be able to see animals and stuff at night. I don't hunt, so don't get me on for that. But so I got this to check out the stuff, and so let's look and see what we got here. We have a nice little zipper box for it here, and I'll open this up and we'll check it out in here. And so in here it comes with a charging cable, or not charging cable, but the cable to get the video onto your computer. It doesn't charge. It came with it takes AA batteries. I'm not sure if there's a way to put rechargeable ones in there or something. I already opened it, so I'm just making it look like I opened it again, but really I just put in some Energizer AA batteries. But you can see if I turn it on, see, is it going on? Yeah, you can see in there you know, it starts it up, and then there's the screen, and there's really nothing back there now, but there's all the different settings to set it and focus it and everything else. So it's pretty cool and a nice looking piece of equipment here, and I'm excited to get some look at some animals and stuff at night and check it out. I'll probably be checking it out here tonight because I'm actually camping down in the Florida Keys right now. So this will be a fun thing to check out and play with. And it's the GThunder night vision binoculars.